I'm Chris Forsberg.
And I'm Dylan Hughes.
And we're going to transform this recreational Polaris UTV into a race-ready rig.
Welcome to the Slime Road to Baja.
Hey, I thought this thing was done.
Oh,
Now it's all taken apart again.
It is done. It's just, we're just practicing mechanicking.
Yeah. We just got this tiny little fuel cell. Well, at least since we had to wait until the end of the world to get it, it's a substantial thing, right?
That's right. Turns out you have to disassemble everything we just put in to put it in. We're like, ah, it's a gas tank. We'll just lay it on top, put the straps over, good to go. Wrong. Wrong.
OCD's kicking it hard right now, isn't it, Chris?
Dude, it's not too bad.
And then
I just saw an entire bag of hardware. Like, oh my god, it's like only 3 different sizes, so it's not too bad. Just gonna separate it so we can find it easier. Easy enough now. Plug in the back sanitary.
That was solid. Still got it.
Oh, still got it, dude.
look
Hang
out.
on, hang on. Yeah.
They need to like
come down. Yeah, right. Oh, there it goes.
It's not gonna. You're putting in a Chris Forsberg Odyssey battery?
Yes, but this is not gonna go, Kenan.
Yeah.
You're gonna make me look terrible on your Instagram.
What are you doing? Fuel lines?
Fuel lines.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I guess we need
We
those.
gotta hook those up. Right over here. Hook them up.
Yeah, you might think that those guys are actually doing something important.
But they're not.
They're not. Yeah, the real important stuff is right here with this custom slime green front grille.
Yeah, this is key to the entire build. Everything they're doing is just kind of whatever. Like what, you think all the suspension's gonna matter in the desert?
I know, right? Two of our best guys are on it right now.
I don't know, dude. 125 might be it. It looked like it started to cross thread.
Why you gotta come out when we're making a fool of ourselves, Ken? We've been killing it all day.
Are you just gonna make a new thread pattern for it?
Oh, that's what we're doing right now, dude. I'm cutting babies right into her.
The first time.
Yeah.
What are you gonna make her into?
10-1-5.
Help me out. Fucking use your meat, dude.
Fire that thing through.
Okay.
Yeah, just a little dabble do ya.
There you go. A little dabble do you? It's like Scooby-Doo line?
Yeah.
No, it's the Flintstones. That's what it is.
That's yabba dabba do.
Yeah, what? Yeah. Little dabble do you? Yeah, hell yeah, Jetsons. Love it.
Okay, somebody tell me about these KC lights. Why are they cool? Why do we have them?
Because they look cool as shit. What are you talking about? What kind of question is that?
Of course, we're not running at night, but that's all right.
Well, that's what you think.
Yeah.
Yeah. When this thing breaks down, we gotta figure it out.
You changed the mood when you're working with the
I brought the ball, dude. Oh, hell yeah, brother.
Oh no, it blasted through.
Whoa!
Dang, dog. Holy
Well, at least now we know where to park it.
What's it gonna be? What do you think?
The white devil for me. I want that one. I gotta finish my brekkie before I have some dessert. Ooh, I didn't see that one though.
I know, that one looks
Wow,
good too.
that's a little incognito.
That one's kind of all about America.
No, that's all me, man.
What?
Here's the deal. Nobody in the shop is really a big chocolate donut guy.
I know, that's like they had 1 million chocolate donuts in
Yeah,
there.
because chocolate donuts suck.
Whoa! I light up chocolate donuts every now and then. Gosh.
I'll probably just juice it off there.
Yeah, it's looking good.
Oh no, it's just perfectly smeared.
Is that you, Dylan, right there? That's you on the side of that thing.
Oh, it is exit 188. I nailed it. This person
This is what the whole video is gonna be.
This really
is
is.
fucking truck
It's gonna
ride.
be Dylan going, need some milk.
Oh, new ride slime.
Look at this guy's stickers. I heart native trout and birds aren't real.
Birds aren't real.
You heard about that, you heard about that, right?
No.
Some people truly believe that birds don't exist. It's government drones. There's one now! Yeah. So like when you see the birds that are just like hovering in midair, you know what I mean? They're like, see? It's not real, it's a drone.
Oh my god.
Like that's like a real thing. So like when you see birds aren't real, that's what they're talking about.
What do you think so far, Chad?
I think this is amazing. I can't believe that it's finally here.
You thrive by serving others, huh?
Yeah.
Right on. Welcome.
Hey,
This is where we make, it's like our mini store. So we actually use tires, recycled rubber.
Cool.
Yeah.
Right on.
It's actually good for the environment as well. So you can go in here. This thing is down to 28C. Make sure we don't get locked in. And I feel good, man.
we don't want to like
Chill tanks. These machines will allow us to test tires at really low temperatures.
It's cool, dude. I'm out of here. Ah, there they are, dude. Over there. Winter Pro.
This is our new 2-in-1 formula. It's great because you don't have to know if there's an inner tube or not in a tire. Dollies, wheelbarrows.
Ready?
Yep.
Pulling out's the hardest part. There she is.
And it's like maple syrup inside your tire, spinning around in there, waiting for a puncture to happen.
Fairly familiar with that stuff.
Barely. Oh yeah, everyone's all about the stickers.
Isn't that funny? We were like, no, we didn't even think anybody would notice.
Once it starts getting close at it, you gotta back off the pedal.
I guess if this thing gets too hot, it'll totally just right off of it.
Yeah.
Absolutely. You could call me Air Down Aaron.
I know, you're down Dylan.
That's a good point. Why are you doing the front tire though? What's that gonna help?
I'm just doing what Big Joe tells me, okay?
And right there is where she goes.
No, see you later.
Oh, it's moving. Look at the tires! Look at the tires!
Wow, okay, well on that note, we should fire this up because we just finished up this Razor and it is ready to rip. We got all the Cognito parts on there, we got the fuel system in there, and today's the day.
Today's the day, man. We're out here at Glamis. This is my first time being out here.
For the 80th time.
So we're here at Pismo Beach, and today's the first time we get to go drive this thing. We're all suited up, looking fly. We got the whole slime squad out here. We got a couple other boys out here, and we're gonna rip some rides. We're gonna rip some rides, dude.
Yeah, we're gonna test the thing out, put some smiles on faces, see if we can run this thing off a jump or two.
Maybe a jump.
We might have to dig it out here in a minute, so we better get to it.
Yeah, we should probably get to it.
Yeah.
Hopefully she does well. First test day.
Yeah, that was about as fast as she'll let me go.
Yeah.
Still ripping. Still ripping?
Dude, that was a hug!
That was a good one.
Yeah. All right, freaking Watch It Larry over here.